is Christine with Momspiration 412, founder of EduPlay. Thank you guys so much for joining us for EduPlay Reindeer Week. We are learning all about the letter R, and we are learning all about reindeer this week. So I'm excited to share with you some reindeer facts, as well as reindeer yoga and other fun reindeer activities this week. So thank you guys so much for being here with us. We are going to get started with our reindeer yoga. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to stand tall. We're going to step with one foot forward, take the back leg, and turn your foot going towards the other way. So one foot is straight, one foot is sideways, and you are going to slightly bend on your front leg. Don't let your knee go over your toes. Just kind of sit there a little bit and put your hands up like a reindeer, or if you have antlers on, have your antlers on. Ready? And we are going to take a deep breath in and let it out. Very good. We're going to do that again. Ready? Remember, we're going to smell the flowers. Pretend like you're a reindeer and you're smelling the flowers. And then I want you to blow out the birthday candles. Very good. Very good. You are a fun reindeer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to switch feet. You're going to go forward with this foot. You are going to step to the side with the other foot. Okay, so one foot is straight, one foot is side. You're going to bend slightly on the front leg. And don't let that knee go over your tootsies. Okay, put your hands up like your antlers and show me. Take some deep breaths in. And then blow out the birthday candles. Or whatever reindeer you want to blow out. Let's pretend that they are smelling the candy canes, and then they're going to blow them over, okay, like bowling, all right? So we're going to put our antlers up. We're going to smell the candy canes. Oh, smell that peppermint smell, and then blow them all over. Good job, friends. Good job. All right. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to pretend like we are in a sleigh. So we are going to sit down big and tall, and we are going to pretend like we are on a sleigh ride, all right? Because the reindeer are leading the sleigh, right? So let's do that. Let's sit up big and tall. Put your legs straight out in front of you and your hands like you are riding on a sleigh, okay? And the reindeer are going to be there. And you're going to say, get up, get up, get up, right? Because the reindeer are leading the sleigh. So ready? We're going to go forward. 1, 2, 3. Good job. And let's go backwards. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Ready? Let's make them go fast. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And let's go. Whoa, boy. Good job. Ready? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. And go. Whoa, boy. Good job. Good job. Let's take a deep breath in. And let's let it out. Very good. I hope you guys enjoyed our reindeer yoga for the week and have a fun week with Reindeer Week. Remember, guys, see each moment as a chance to learn, create, and have fun. Bye, guys.